of our party, the APC. Today is a remarkable day for our party, people in the FCs. Because the train, the APC train, the national chairman train, that has been going around the country, receiving thousands and thousands of people to a great party, has today landed in FCT. Because in the past few months or 2 years, national chairman, together with other members for his colleagues in the national committee, and indeed as a chairman, they've been doing a wonderful job, getting people into our party, thousands and thousands and thousands. Even as we speak, today, there are several meetings to bring a lot after this occasion to our party. We are proud of you, we are proud of what you are doing for the APC. And today, we are witnessing another landmark event to receive our great chairman of the local council, into the APC. And not only himself, but all the people in his local council, thousands and thousands and thousands of people. And this will change the narrative in FCT. Before, we always have problems in the election into local council in FCT. But this year, this period is going to be different. We are going to win landslide by grace of God. Landslide, inshallah. Are we ready? Yeah! Are we ready? Yeah! We are going to win, inshallah. We are going to make FCT proud. We are going to make APC proud. We are going to make our president happy. We are going to make Nigerians happy. So let's work together. Let's work together. Let's continue to work together so that we give our full support to Mr. President. We've been saying it before Mr. President came on board. This country was having several problems in all fronts: infrastructure, security, energy, and what have you. He came with the desire, with the will to change the narrative, to change the trend. But then, he also came alongside a global problem, global conflicts everywhere, which gave rise to increase in the price of commodities and services all over the world. Of course, Nigeria cannot be aligned on itself. It's not an exception. We also face the same problem in this country. But still, there has been all within these powers to change the trajectory for bringing in prosperity to this country. Rome was not built in a day. You cannot expect a building that has been destroyed, that has been shattered, to be rebuilt in one day. And so we need to be patient with him. He's working in the best manner possible to bring prosperity to our nation, to turn our country into the land of El Dorado. That cannot be established, cannot be achieved without the cooperation of all and sundry. I want to assure you, and we are part of the team, and we know the sleepless night the president is having to make sure that he brings prosperity to our nation. Today, we urge you all to join the family, the APC family, as you are joining the APC family. Please come with the zeal, the energy to contribute your quota to the development of this country. Thank you very much, and may God bless Nigeria. Thank you.
The APC 100%. Remember, when I speak, it's like it is the oracle that is speaking. So whatever I say, put your mind and your attention to it. It will definitely happen. Remember when I said one of my brothers, then when I was a governor, that he will join us, that various APC, PDP governors will join us. They all joined us. And I said one of my brothers is going to join us and work in the government of APC. Today, I am happy that the Honorable Minister of State is enjoying that our brother. His Excellency, yes, Wike, we all enjoying him in FCT. because he's doing wonderful job for us here in FCT and for the country. Therefore, all the area councils will be APC. It is just a little time that it will take. Let me commend our national chairman. Let me commend the state chairman of FCT, Alhaji Usman, for all the wonderful job you've been doing. When I came into this arena, I was shocked to see the mob crowd that turned out within this shortest possible time. You are all gathered here under this scorching sun for this unity rally. I sincerely appreciate the former minister of FCT, my wonderful dear sister, Hajia Ramatu Tijani, for contributing his own hard quota as well in the development of FCT and APC in FCT.
A round of applause for that.
Let me tell you that this mandate that Mr. President is carrying is the mandate of the people. And the people of this country are speaking. And I want to assure you that come 2027, there is no vacancy in Azoro.
Yes.
Yes.
There is no vacancy
In Azoro.
Louder.
There is no vacancy
In Azoro.
Oh, yes.
I'll use this opportunity once again to appreciate all the founding fathers of our party. Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu played a significant and very pivotal role in ensuring that we have the party we are all driven to join today. We appreciate our former president and the first president under the platform of the All Progressive Congress, President Muhammadu Buhari. He has said it times without number that he remained a father in APC and he is a member of APC.
APC.
Let nobody mistake it that Mr. President and the former president have any issue. In fact, they continue to defer to each other in moving this country forward. So we have APC intact. I call on all the members of the party who have one issue or the other. You can't build a house and run away from it. I urge everybody to come together. Let's unite together. Other political parties are just going to escort us to the villa come 2027. Come back. When you are inside APC and you are making your demand, you are talking. But if you leave APC and you are outside APC and you are making demand, you are simply making noise. And those of us that are inside APC will tell you to keep quiet. Therefore, APC is the owner of Nigeria today and tomorrow. I thank you all for coming out under this sun.
Salihu, to speak on behalf of the progressive government. You are close, sir. You are close.
God the most gracious. We have to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for bringing us at this important moment, for this important occasion. As you are all aware, this rally, we call it unitary because the Federal Capital Territory is a geographical location that all Nigerians are united. Also, Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, during the campaign, when we had a meeting with stakeholders from FCT, they made one important request. They said they wanted him to appoint an indigene of FCT as a minister of the Federal Capital Territory. Right there and then, he answered positive. And today, we have Honorable Minister, Special Duties, former chairman of AMAC, a grassroots politician, a man who contributed with the FCT chapter to make this gathering a huge success. Therefore, the elders of FCT, the youth wing of FCT, the women wing of FCT, they all came to our office. They said, since Mr. President has appointed an indigene as the Minister of the Federal Development of Nigeria, and many other political appointments, they said we should give them, we should permit them. We should permit them so that all the area councils in FCT and the senator of FCT, House of Representatives in FCT, all of them will be from APC political party.
Oh.
Have you agreed on that?
Yes.
Do you believe in that?
Yes.
You raise up your hand if you believe. Oh.
APC program. APC program. APC program.
Ladies and gentlemen, as part of that renewed hope agenda, today we have started seeing how FCT will be converted democratically to APC. So today, we have a great political giant. We have Timber and Caliber. We have the chairman of AMAC, which is the most popular local government in the Federal Capital Territory. Therefore, the chairman, who's all his elected councillors, who's all his appointed councillors, who's all the politicians from PDP, now they have decided to come to our great party, the APC. He has come with thousands of supporters. And also, we have the campaigns from Buhari Area Council. We have the campaigns from Kuje Area Council. We have the campaigns from Abadi Area Council. We have the campaigns from Kwali Area Council. We have the campaigns from Kwakwadet Area Council. What remains now? Almost all the politicians, all the people, more than 60% of the Federal Capital Territory is now APC. The camping of these number of politicians. Therefore, I now call the chairman of AMAC,
Maikalangu! Raising the flag of APC! Maikalangu is raising the flag of APC!